Love it.
Look at the difference. And this is just 15 minutes doing my hair. Yeah. I do. It's not bad. Yeah. I have a lot of hair, so. And this is always very frizzy. But it's no. And it was dry, I didn't wet it. So, look at how it looks. And like I said, my hair is dirty.
That I just got done blow drying my hair with this product. I had got it on deal of the day. It's the brush blow dryer. This thing is amazing. I just used it. It cuts down your hairstyle time in half. I usually blow dry and then straighten my hair, and right now I don't even feel like I need to use a straightener. My hair looks so nice and sleek and beautiful, so I highly recommend this product.
Her baby.
This is how, I haven't opened the box yet, but this is where we are before I even get to open the box in the packaging and delivery. So I'm hoping the product is good still.
I'm doing the Quanton booth.